Dance, okay.
Dance like no one is watching. I love doing that. I always do that.
Dance like no one's watching. Okay. Pictures, show.
So this is with Sanam for Jhalak. This is for a South Indian award function. This is for Jhalak. This is for... this is Avinash.
Avinash is laughing at you.
Yeah, I am. You look so fat. He's looking so fat.
Okay.
Even I am looking fat in this. Yeah, so this one was for Janmashtami.
This just shows कि इनका शो अच्छा काम कर रहा था, सेट पे अच्छा खाना आता था.
Yeah, so again, this is for the same award function. This was Golden Petal Awards, where I had danced with the other 3 beautiful ladies of Colors TV.
Yeah.
And this, some event. And this is the cutest.
This is a dance sequence जिसमें again the नोक झोंक was there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
हम लोग कितना लड़ाई करना पसंद करते हैं ना.
एकदम. Okay, dance has been another integral part of your life.
Yeah, it is.
Totally. Hey, you want to tell about your dancing? How it started? Bharat sir and everything? Bharat sir, this is for you. This is how much she loves you.
Oh my god. So I was 4 and I used to dance. मॉल में कहीं पे भी म्यूज़िक बजता था, मैं भाग जाती थी डांस करने के लिए. And suddenly there is one uncle of mine. He came up to me and told my dad कि इसको डांस क्लास क्यों नहीं भेजते. पर पापा ने बोला पता लगा हो सके तो भेज देंगे. That's how it started. And Sanjay uncle then came up and he was like, okay, ये है डांस क्लास, this is the fees, this is how it is, and go for it. And that's how we started. And dance class shuru hua. My sir was Bharat sir. I'm still in touch with him and I really feel proud. He's just too good. And इस बर्थडे में मैं ये एक बात तो डिसाइड कर ही सकती हूँ दैट आई विल गेट बैक टू डांसिंग एंड भरत सर से पक्का मैं कुछ सीखूंगी वापस, है ना.
Lovely. Resolution.
Yes.
Birthday resolution.
Yes.
Okay. So dance has been another integral part of your life. Started learning from the age 4. Dude, they know it. क्यों कहानी बताई? She wasted our time. And you are still doing dance performance now. Probably about 200 performances by now, if not more. Wow.
I know it.
And of course, we hope you continue and forever because we love your dancing. From Chak Dhoom Dhoom to 3 seasons of India's Got Talent,
Love
and
you.
now to performing at Indian Telly Awards and other events. You have never failed to impress your audiences. You have a lot of energy and you are passionate about dancing. Energy and passion combined can also only bring one thing: mind-blowing performance. Keep dancing. Love you.
I love dancing. Thank you so much. Shiro!
The best chapter of the book comes. Yoo-hoo!
Oh my god. Check the pictures. और ये सारे के
very-
सारे इन्होंने ही क्लिक किए.
Oh yeah. And it's very nicely done, the way you guys have done it. Okay. Now Shiro के बारे में चल कहानी बता फटाफट.
ये
How did
फिर
you meet
उनका how did I meet him? This कहानी you should know.
मैं घर जाता हूँ. बहुत बोलती है.
नहीं ये छोटा कहानी है. In short. Yeah. So as you all know, शिनचैन जो कार्टून है उसमें मित्सी और शिनचैन के पास एक डॉगी है जिसका नाम है शीरो. And it is a white color का शिट्जू if I'm not wrong. And मैं पहले शिट्जू ही लेना चाहती थी. फिर मेरा दिल चिहुआहुआ पे गया और मैं वाइट कलर का चिहुआहुआ ही लेना चाहती थी.
और वो भी इसने बहुत रिसर्च किया था उसमें.
मैंने बहुत रिसर्च किया था कहाँ मैंने कॉन्टैक्ट्स निकाले थे पूछने के लिए कि वाइट कलर का चिहुआहुआ है कि
And even Indian weather के लिए. So basically
Yeah.
about the health of the pup and everything she had to take care of.
यस. सो फाइनली क्या हुआ था कि मैं एक जगह पे गई जहाँ पे आई थिंक 4 वाइट चिहुआहुआस थे और उनका एक पापा था एक मम्मी थी. सारे वाइट थे और वो लोग ऐसे खेल रहे थे एंड आई वाज जस्ट लविंग देम. और अचानक से एक ब्लैक कलर का आया एंड सब लोग खेल रहे थे. मैं एक को हाथ में ले रही थी एंड आई वाज डिसाइडिंग किसको मैं घर लेके जाऊँ, किसको मैं अपना बेबी मानूँ. और जैसे ही मैंने इस ब्लैक वाले को हाथ में लिया वो कंफर्टेबली बैठ गया. बाकी सब लोग बहुत रेस्टलेस थे, खेल रहे थे. ये कंफर्टेबली बैठ गया एंड ही वाज जस्ट लुकिंग एट मी एज इफ टेलिंग मी प्लीज टेक मी होम. एंड आई जस्ट फेल इन लव विद शीरो. एंड या शीरो अभी मेरा वाला जो है वो ब्लैक कलर का है.
Okay. And of course, we can't forget your baby Shiro. Nobody can. Nobody can afford to. Daant toot jayenge. One of the most important parts of your life. Trust me, that's her life. Shiro hasn't been with you for long, but we are sure every moment has been very special.
Yes.
Blush says it all. In fact, the beginning, as we know it, was very special too. You knew right from the start that Shiro was a pet for you. And you were absolutely correct. We can see the love you have for Shiro. And of course, Shiro loves you a lot too. Oh, unconditionally. That's how they are. The love is evident in the pictures. And of course, in the tattoos of him that you got. We love your love, your friendship with Shiro, and we hope it always stay like this.
You know the best part about this thing is they have written Shiro का एकदम correct spelling with double O, which I always write. They have,
बधाइयाँ हो, अगले बार आप लोगों को रिटर्न गिफ्ट भी जाएंगे.
this is so lovely. Oh my god. So
Nice.
cute. So cute.
Simply adorable. Super duper person. Love. Go on.
ये है बहुत स्पेशल फोटोग्राफ जो मैंने अपलोड किया था ऑन इंस्टाग्राम ऑन फ्रेंडशिप डे. दिस इज़ चीनू, संहिता, दिस इज़ शिनचान, मनीष एंड दिस इज़ मी. और इसमें स्पेशल बात ये है कि मैंने और चीनू ने सेम काइंड ऑफ हेयर बैंड पहनी है, सिर्फ कलर डिफरेंट है. और ये हमें लेके दी थी किसने? शिनचान ने. एंड वाई दिस फोटोग्राफ इज़ सो स्पेशल, आई टेल यू द रीज़न. क्योंकि ये हमारा बेबीज़ डे आउट था. हम दोनों बेबीज़ शिनचान के साथ बाहर घूमने गए थे. एंड वेयर डिड वी गो?
We went to watch Frozen entire theater to ourselves. और हम लोग पूरा थिएटर खाली रखने के बावजूद भी हम लोग ज़मीन पे बैठ के आगे फोटोग्राफ नहीं, पिक्चर देखा, पॉपकॉर्न खाया. मतलब पूरा थिएटर खाली होने के बाद
नीचे ज़मीन
हमने
पे
ऐसे लेट के पिक्चर देखा कि भैया थिएटर हमारा है. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर.
This is Bubbly. What's her name?
Bubbly. Yeah.
Bubbly.
Ishika.
Ishika. हाँ. So this is Bubbly. This is Chinu again. She's my best friend. And this is me. ये कब का है?
Chinu's birthday.
Chinu's birthday. Yes. So they are precious to me. All these people are precious to me. This one is I think Rashmi ma'am's birthday का picture है.
yeah.
हाँ. Some party. And this one is one of the scenes. This is really special. ये photograph है the promo director we have in for colors. His name is Amber. उनके साथ है. हम दोनों ने बड़ा ही अच्छा pose किया है इसमें. So this is special.
And this has a backstory क्योंकि ये same pose इन लोगों ने कितने साल पहले?
4 साल पहले
4
किया
साल
था.
पहले का
So we
same
have
pose था. तो Amber showed this and he's like, well, let's replicate the picture, and they have both the pictures together.
yeah. So this is with my mom. For Mother's Day we had clip. And this is with my dad. I think for the Beti thing we walk
Okay.
every year. So I think that
That's
is.
nice.
Yes.
Okay. And then we have, and last but definitely not the least, you are a super duper, absolutely wonderful, amazing person.
How cute.
हाय उड़ गई नहीं है इधर ही अभी तक. ग्राउंडेड है लड़की. As a daughter, as a friend, as a co-star, as a star with lots of fans, you are perfect in all ways. We have seen your love for your parents through pictures and your amazing friendship as well. Your respect for lovely friendship with your co-star can also be seen through segments. And last but not the least, love for your fans. You love us all a lot and we know it. And that's why we continue loving you too.
अब रुलाओगे क्या?
You are very sweet, down to earth, multi-talented person. There are many traits that makes you lovable for everyone. La. You can keep this book forever because this is too cute. And oh my god, you have wishes here. This is precious. This is really, really precious.
Hi, I'm Avika Gaur. Keep watching India Forums and also do subscribe to WhatsApp TV.